Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. What if I told you there's a natural remedy that can significantly improve vein problems in your legs? A remedy that works with your body's natural systems to reduce swelling, pain, restlessness, and other symptoms? This remedy comes from the common red vine leaf. I know you might be skeptical, as vein issues like varicose veins, spider veins, and chronic venous insufficiency often seem like complex medical conditions requiring prescription drugs or surgery. However, the science behind red vine leaf extract is solid. It has been proven in large clinical trials to be safe and effective in treating mild to moderate vein problems in the legs. In this video, I'll explain the science behind why it works, how much to take, and for how long. I'll also reveal the dramatic trial results that convinced me of the power of red vine leaf extract. Along the way, we'll debunk some common myths about vein health and clarify what really causes problems like varicose veins. Understanding your vein health is empowering, so let's dive in. Veins have a crucial job of returning blood from your extremities back to your heart and lungs. Unlike arteries, veins rely on muscle contractions and leg movement to push blood upward. Tiny one-way valves inside veins prevent backflow. When these valves get damaged, blood pools in the veins, causing varicose and spider veins. Poor circulation can lead to symptoms like heavy legs, ankle swelling, leg pain, and restlessness. Damaged veins can also result in dangerous blood clots like deep vein thrombosis, DVT, which can lead to potentially fatal pulmonary embolisms. So, what causes vein damage? There are three main factors: genetics, liver issues, and estrogen imbalance. Some people are born with weaker vein valves or thinner vein walls. Liver problems like cirrhosis, fatty liver disease, and scar tissue can obstruct blood flow, increasing pressure and damaging veins. Estrogen levels, affected by pregnancy, menopause, and aging, also play a major role. Too much estrogen causes vein walls to lose tone and strength. Conventional treatments, like prescription drugs, compression stockings, or surgery often fail to address these root causes. Red vine leaf extract, however, works holistically to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, regulate estrogen levels, protect and restore vein valve function, and strengthen vein walls. In other words, it works with your body's natural systems to fix the underlying problem rather than just masking the symptoms. Clinical trial evidence supports the effectiveness of red vine leaf extract. In a major double-blind, placebo-controlled study involving over 240 patients with chronic venous insufficiency, 95% reported reduced leg heaviness and pain. 60% saw visible improvements in spider veins, 74% experienced a decrease in leg circumference, and there were significant improvements in swelling and restless legs. The optimal daily dose was 360 to 720 mg for at least 12 weeks, with no adverse effects reported. While red vine leaf extract is not a miracle cure, it can be highly effective for those with mild to moderate vein issues. For severe cases or existing blood clots, always consult a doctor. But for most people dealing with annoying symptoms, red vine leaf extract is worth trying before resorting to more invasive treatments. It helps tone and strengthen veins naturally, similar to giving your veins a workout or eating healthy. For maximum benefits, also consider liver support and estrogen balance. Taking milk thistle can help detox and protect your liver, while nutrients like DIM and calcium D-glucarate can help metabolize and excrete excess estrogen. In summary, veins rely on valves and muscle contractions to circulate blood. Genetics, liver issues, and estrogen imbalance cause chronic venous insufficiency. Red vine leaf extract repairs vein damage and restores healthy circulation. Clinical trials prove it reduces pain, swelling, and spider veins. Experts recommend taking 360 to 720 mg daily for at least 12 weeks. Add milk thistle and DIM to support liver health and balance hormones. Try red vine leaf extract before considering prescription meds or surgery. If walking, rebounding, and red vine leaf extract don't improve your vein issues, consult a doctor. Don't ignore worsening symptoms like pain, swelling, or skin changes. But for most, red vine leaf extract can help you feel better quickly. Knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Understand the root causes of vein dysfunction and focus on natural solutions first. Red vine leaf extract is a safe, natural, and effective option for mild to moderate vein problems. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your comments and questions below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming health videos. I have some exciting topics planned and can't wait to share them with you. Your health is important, and I'm here to provide useful information that can make a difference in your life. Thanks for watching and being part of this community. Take care and be well.